So one very good effective classroom layout is to have the students to move their desks to a side and get them to sit in a semicircle or a horseshoe formation. So this way you can conduct various activities including physical games, and if you are conducting theory, there's also no barrier between you and the students. When they are clutching their bags and when they have a desk between them and you, there are chances that you might not get the full reaction or the full participation because of that. So for example, in this classroom, I got the students to move their desk to the side. So they are sitting in a cluster formation. So when they have sitting in this particular arrangement, the students get to really observe each other's facial expressions, body language, and with that, they can really pinpoint when someone is feeling a little bit off or someone's feeling upset, and when they are able to really pinpoint how someone is feeling, they can react accordingly. For example, if someone needs a little bit more motivation, they can just give them a pep talk or come up with a joke. So the classroom layout is very important to actually not just in terms of putting in plans relating to your curriculum, but also just to liven up the mood. Sometimes if you have a classroom that's with dull colors, it brings down the entire mood. So you can have certain shades of pastel, you have bright colors, yellow, orange. You don't have too much of bright colors because it can be too overwhelming. So you have something in purple because purple jogs your creativity, helps you to feel more not really energized physically but mentally. So in that way, if you have brainstorming sessions, you're able to come up with ideas better. Students are able to come up with ideas better. So that's good. So you need to have good classroom layout, and meaning effective arrangements of your props, the furniture, and the colors. This particular class has a nice design at the back with some motivational phrases. But the best part about it is they have a blend of light and dark colors. We have orange curtains with black background, and of course they have a whiteboard, right? So it makes the class very vibrant because you have a good balance. You don't want to have overwhelming concentration of just one particular color. If you have everything in just a pastel color, then maybe the energy level might be low. So you want to have a balance with a little bit of red, a little bit of green, a little bit of blue, and you see very energetic, fun, and a good balance of the students' talents and abilities. It really shines through. Oh, in fact, speaking of students, the students are back here with their results of the scavenger hunt that I've just organized. So thank you guys. See you guys next time. Enjoy your classes.